Look around you. How are people dressed? Are they different or the same? Of course, yeah, they're different. To be honest, isn't there something similar between your clothes and your friend's clothes? Yeah, it's the colors. Everyone seems to be wearing clothes with bright colors. But why? Is it just because of fashion? How do you dress in summer so that it is still fashionable but also keeps you nice and cool? It is truly fascinating that different colors absorb and reflect different amounts of light. For example, when we see the color white, it means that we are actually seeing all the combination of the possible visible light. Wait, what is visible light? Simply put, visible light is a part of the electromagnetic spectrum that can be viewed by human eyes. Electromagnetic spectrum covers an enormous range of wavelengths and photon energies. This spectrum consists of radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. And radio waves has the longest wavelength and lowest frequency, and gamma rays having the shortest wavelength and highest frequency. To understand this clearly, let's compare the reflection of color white to the reflection of a mirror. The color white reflecting all types of light is same as a mirror reflecting every light that bounces off of it. Going back to the color white, wearing white clothing would reflect a lot of wavelengths of energy coming in from the sun. It also reflects sun's rays back instead of keeping the heat inside your body, making us all sweaty and stinky. On the contrary, where white reflects light, dark-colored clothing, especially the color black, absorbs the light and turns them into heat. The more heat that is absorbed, the warmer you'll be. For example, place a dark-colored piece of cloth and a light-colored piece of cloth on the ice cube that is under the sun. You'll notice that the dark-colored piece of cloth melts quicker into the ice than the light-colored cloth. This shows that dark colors produce more heat than others, whereas the light-colored clothing protects the ice from the sun. Additionally, some colors seem more cool than other colors. Not cool as like a pretty girl or a guy, but then the sense of coolness. Color psychology is the scientific study of a color as a determining factor of human behavior. For example, color also affected the placebo pills and the patients. The patients actually felt that bright and hot colored pills worked better than dark and calm colored pills. This means that people usually feel some kind of emotion about different colors. The impression of the people on the color white are happiness, sincerity, and purity. This leads to people thinking that white is actually a chilly color. In conclusion, if you want to dress cooler in the summer, you could consider wearing white clothing.